Now we're on for the taste test.
Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make candy yams. This can be for anything, holidays. My kids like it anytime, so it doesn't have to necessarily be for the holidays. So let's get into it. First, what we want to do is we want to preheat our oven to 425. And then as that's preheating, we're going to go ahead and prepare our candy yam. So this is about 6 large sweet potatoes already peeled and cut up and put into our pan. Now we're going to make our sauce. So what you need is you need 1 stick of butter, lemon juice, molasses, light corn syrup, nutmeg, vanilla, and ground cinnamon, white sugar and brown sugar, and marshmallows. You don't necessarily have to use marshmallows, it's good either way, but this is just like a topping you can put on afterwards. Okay, so first we need to melt our butter. First we want to put in 1 cup of sugar, white sugar. Cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, now we want to do is we want to put the melted butter in with the white sugar and the brown sugar. Go ahead and pour that in. And we just want to mix this. We have the KitchenAid mixer, so we're just going to mix it in there. Or you can just use a Wix. You just want to mix the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the butter together. Now what you want to do is you want to put in a 1/2 cup of corn syrup and then a 1/4 cup of molasses. You put those in next. Put in our 1/4 cup of molasses. Okay, now that we added that, we want to go ahead and mix that together. Now we want to do 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's mix that together. Now we're going to do a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, now let's add our cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon. And our nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix that. You just want to pour this on top of your sweet potatoes. You can taste your batter, because this will tell you exactly what it's going to taste like. So taste this, taste your batter, and then you'll know. But let's go ahead and pour this on top of here. Okay, you just want to mix this a little bit, get it all down up in there. Don't worry about it not touching every single sweet potato, because you'll see it's going to make its own sauce while it's in the oven. All we want to do now is wrap this with foil and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to remove the foil and put it in for another 25 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in for the first 45 minutes.
Marshmallows with dinner? Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you want to eat marshmallows with dinner? I like little marshmallows with dinner. Not big, chunky marshmallows. Can you take from the food you can? What is that? What is that?
Now we want to put this back in the oven for 25 minutes. Alright, now we got the finished product. Looking real good.